Kuki militant amasung security force na chatharakpa kai henba thawong kaya da tumina lei haiduna Naga sing ase Ashonba phurup ama oina ubadi aranbo igani haina Naga Women Union Manipuri President Priscilla Thiomaina phongdorakli security force na kuki asokpa hum rims hospital da layeng nabagidamag purakhiba du yaningdaba phongdoktuna Naga Women Union Manipur amasung All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansamna Manipur Press Club ta pangthokpa paugi mifam amada wafam asim hangna phongdokhibane paugi mifam aduda mahangna makhatana hai kuki militant singna miyoi bagi lisat ki wangmada mihat tina hatlaba fawba lengak na action amata laukhatana lairiba si laibak thibane mihat aduda chenaba mi kuntra romgi masak maming taklaba fawba phaduna wahong bahong chathabagi mahuta ashokpa kuki militant sing Assam Rifles na ngak shelaga Imphal fawba layeng naba purakpa haibasi lengak na Naga furup asi thoide takpane ngasi Naga miyam na pendaba kaya khangduna lairiba si thokriba thodok sing asigi achumba wail ama lengak na purakani khanbagi laikhribane adubu mashina Naga sing asi Ashonba phurup amani haina lawbadi Lan-Gani kai henba thawong kaya chathariba kuki militant sing asi athubada fagatuna maralgi matungina chairak pikadabane thawdok sing asi India amadi state lengak na matam chana lo lei haiba khanghalam labadi thoklam loi laiba ki chiraba tanpham asida lengak na pukchel sengba micham miyam Achan mirai nai daba mityeng na yengbagi tangai fadaba lei ngasi Naga nupi kaya na mamitagi mapita duna lairiba si thokriba thodok kaya sige achumba wail fanganabagi damaktani haike
Do not use Naga as a weak people. Our tolerant capacity is out of now. Our silence doesn't mean we are weak. Our silence is a strong capacity of the Naga people. But today, across the globe, Nagas are crying. And if it is not solved with transparency, do not think that there will be peace in Manipur. There will be peace in Nagaland. There will be peace across India. This is the final and last warning from the women. Our cry, our demand is to bring the justice and then bring down those terrorists who are involved in this against the status, against the place where they stand, whether they are top militant, whether they are top politician. Justice should be given without delay.
Amaromda mifamadu da sarukya kiba ansamgi president TH Angtesang Maring nahai KNP gi lanmi singna mi hathina Naga micham taruk hat kriba thodok adu thabum ama faraklaba fawba karigumba wail ama taputhokna leiringai cherakta security force na kuki militant sing amuk ngak senduna Rims hospital da layeng na purakpa haibasi yamna laibak thibane karigumba security force sing asina Mamang dasu asigumba thodang sing asi lauduna micham miyam manaba mityeng da ngak selam labadi asigumba thodok sing asi thoklam loi thodok asigi matang da lengak na pukchel sengna achumba wail puthokada bani haiki
militants ni haina khutlai pai bi sing ni haina singna nangai unba asok apan sing se ngasi Imphal gi Rims hospital da government Indian security force na risks lauraga purakpa sida akoin hangjaniba question adudi akoi ge 6 hostages sing dabasung adumaina makoina government na thawai yauna risks laubiraga makoina protection adu pirambagadi khudong thibado thoklammoidra haina haininge ngasi makoina asimaina langba matam sida makoina asmaina rims ta pura ibase yamna laibak thibani aduna hojik any situation ase phattabanina mob ase mathang leibanina any untoward incident thokpata ragadi aikoi government na full responsibility ase makoina lawgadobani haibase haininge